Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to program universal remote to your TV. So firstly, of course, make sure that your TV is turned on. The remote needs the TV's power signal to sync correctly. On your LG universal remote, press and hold setup button until the red indicator stays on. This means the remote is in programming mode. If your remote doesn't have a setup button, press and hold the TV button instead until the red light turns on. Now guys, on the number pad, you need to enter the TV code for your brand. If you're programming it to an LG TV, try these common codes: 113, 114, 117 or 420. If none of these work, check the full code list in the remote manual or on the LG support website. After entering your code, the red light should turn off automatically. Now press the power button on your remote. If the TV turns off, it means the pairing was successful. If not, repeat the same steps using a different code until it works. If you don't have the code, you can use auto search. You just hold the TV button until the red light stays on, then press power repeatedly every few seconds until the TV turns off. Once it does, press enter to lock in the code. And that's it guys. Now your remote should be fully synced and ready to use. If it doesn't work, double check your batteries or try resetting the remote and repeating the process. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.